We're here at Phillips Precision Medicraft's Instrument and Implant Division in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. Our company was founded in 1969 by my dad, who was a machinist for a valve company and decided to start his own business down in our basement of our first home. We exclusively manufacture orthopedic implants and instrumentation for a better way of life. Customers choose us for our innovative thinking, our technology, our people, and most of all, our partnerships. We don't just use the word partnership, we live the word partnership.
One of the joys of my position is working with companies like Phillips Precision. Their deeply rooted heritage and their forward thinking allows them to surpass their competition.
The technology that Traub offers changes the way we think about manufacturing our products.
Walking through the shop over the years, you see a lot of different operations going on and parts moving in baskets from machine to machine. The simple fact that 95% of the parts that Phillips Precision Medicraft makes fits in the palm of your hand. It comes off a bar, it's a perfect fit for a Traub machine.
Let's go to the bone screw cell, everybody. So this is where it's all happening, ladies and gentlemen. This piece of technology here replaced 4 pieces of technology on my shop floor. This is a Traub TNL20 manufacturing a cobalt chrome bone screw for orthopedics. Not only is the machine making a quicker, better part, it's also giving us capacity in our facility that we wouldn't normally have. Rarely open the door on this machine. It doesn't stop to clear chips. We don't have to change tools over and over again. We put a bar in and the door is closed until that bar is complete. That creates waiting time for our tech. External vibratory work to these parts. Used to go downstream. The tech running the machine runs this piece for us. We needed something else to do, so we decided, let's make the part complete right here. We're washing our components right on site. Polishing used to happen all over the facility. Now we bring it right here. It's a true team concept here. We have time, we do the 100% inspection right here. Why? If there's something wrong with the part, this is where it's happening. We fix it right away and we move on. Working with the Traub team was an absolute pleasure. Their knowledge of their machines, their technology, and their support were second to none in the industry.
We have fun when we work. This is what we love. This is our passion. The customer picks up on that energy, and when we do throw a cycle time at them, we actually do produce that cycle time, and that's what separates us from all the competition that's out there.
We were able to take parts that were being made in 6 to 8 operations, load a bar, finish it in 1 op, and we're off to the next job. Talk about finished products coming out of a machine complete. That's huge for growth. That's been our growth. We'll continue to use what we learned on the Traub project across the entire facility to be leaders in our industry and serve our customers well.